Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to mark a spending on Facebook Marketplace. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to mark a listing as pending on Facebook Marketplace, all you gotta do is simply tap on your Facebook account and simply go to the Marketplace section. There you need to simply navigate to your Marketplace listings. So once you go and tap on your profile, you can find your listings. So here, if you have any kind of listings that is already on your marketplace, then you need to find the specific listing you want to mark. As I don't have any listings currently, it is not shown in my screen, but if you have some listing, it will be shown in your screen. So simply find the specific listing you want to mark and select mark as pending under the option menu. This indicates you have agreed to sell the item, but the sale isn't finalized yet. So this way you can mark as pending on Facebook Marketplace. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.